Hello everyone, myself Amit Kumar Mane, founder Global Pharma Group. So I want to discuss today about our new batch for Pharma Export Business Management. Basically, this batch is ideally built to know everything about the international business in the pharmaceutical industry. Because pharmaceutical industry is surrounded by the different regulations, the guidelines, the amendments. So you need to know everything before doing international deal or any international business. Since there are a lot of commodities in the pharmaceuticals such as herbal, then nutraceutical, then generics, then medical devices, then API, active pharmaceutical ingredient, then veterinary products are there. So there are a lot of commodities also available, and there are a lot of scope outside as well. If you want to look, you can check. India is the one of the largest supplier of the vaccines and even generics also. And even the developed countries receive highest generics from India itself. So that is why there is a lot of scope. But if you wish to enter into this business, you need to know everything related to that business. And for that reason, we are here to guide you everything related to the pharmaceutical export. So this training program is completely developed to know you about pharmaceutical export. So let's discuss in this video. I am going to told you the schedule of this workshop, then the content, and then the benefits and how to enroll. Let's begin. First of all, I will told you when this workshop will start. So this will start from the 10 May 2026. The timing and the days will be weekdays, that is Monday to Friday, and the timing will be 7 p.m. onwards. So it is basically 30 hours. So here the content is again very important. What it connects, because we are developed the content so that it covers almost everything related to the pharmaceutical export. Let's begin. So here in the first session you will got to know the world of pharma export and import. It contains overview, Indian pharmaceutical export import overview, opportunities and challenges for new exporter. Then next one is the requirement for successful export. It is mindset development. Then the types of export, it contains manufacturing and merchant export. Then types of the market, it contains the entry barriers, classification of the market. Then next, zones of the import, export and products. It contains classification of export zone, predominant products in different zones. Then skills and basic knowledge which is required for the export business, skills of closing business deal. Then selection of the countries, competitor analysis. Then entry barrier, country specific policies, government collaboration. Then export agencies in India, distribution and marketing of the export country. Then next one, banned molecule, import category of the product, registration process of the company and product. Then the next one, geopolitical stability, then government initiative with the countries. So this is all covered in the market research part. Then we'll move to next, that is the company profile build up and the product build development. Then next one, how to find the buyer, role of the embassies in the buyer selection. And here we also shared you different modules like B2B and B2C module. Then alignment with the laws of the importing country. Then importers selection, the next topic, which connect the communication different method like direct call, mail communication, participation in the exhibitions, then country visit, then process of shipment. Then we'll move to next, that is the logistic management and payment term. It contains shipping, logistic, payment term, FOB, CIF, CIP, document, payment against documentation, then airway bill certifications, Incoterm, distribution marketing supply agreement, letter of credit, CHA, HS code. Then different licenses which is required for a manufacturer and merchant as well, market agreements as well. Then next one, it credentials. It covers USFDA, EU GMP, ANVISA, NVMA, country specific requirement and pharmacopoeial adherence. Then next one, audit report. It contains factory visit, facility visit, mandatory, non-mandatory requirement. Then product registration process. It is contained DMF, CEP, B studies, BW, company factory registration. Then dossier classification. Then the next one, banking process. It contains role of banking, selection of bank, different Incoterms, then export insurance, government benefits, LC. Then how to export in the Middle East, Asia, Europe, USA, Africa, CIS, LATAM, GCC, MENA countries. So here by that way we covered everything related to the export as per the country requirement, right from the company build up, documentation collection, then selection of the country, selection of the molecule, then product registration part, then how to communicate with the buyer, then the banking role, and then deal closing and how to move further. So everything we are here structurally connect with you so that you can properly understand this business model. So what are the benefits of this workshop? The first benefit, you will get expert learning, means the person who is actually work as a consultant for the different MNC companies for the international business, they will guide you. Along with that, I am also guiding because I have also expertise in the pharmaceutical export. And next one, you will get the certification from our academy of the certification of the participation. Next one, these sessions are live, but we are also providing you recordings. Then the next one, market research data we will share with you of the top countries. And the next one, buyers list also of the few countries we are going to provide you, which help you to communicate with them to again finding the buyers. So this is all about the benefits. Now we'll move to how to enroll. What are the fees? So the fees for this workshop is 9,999. How to enroll? It is very simple. Just click over the super profile which is given in the description. You will directly connect with the page of the course. Just click on the enroll now, pay and directly enroll. Otherwise, you can pay directly to this number. This is our registered contact number 9423272876. You can pay online via UPI and then you can share your name, email, qualification, location to this number, okay, on WhatsApp. Then we will added you in the group of the course and then you will got email of the seat confirmation as well. This is the basic process. Then we'll start the batch. Okay, so batch strength is 20. You can the admission started from today onwards. Okay, so take the benefits of this and enroll as soon as possible. Now we'll move to few different set of the questions. So the first question, is this workshop is beneficial for me to start the business? Yes, it is beneficial. It covers everything whatever the prerequisite required for an exporter. Next question, is this workshop is for the manufacturer or merchant export? So this is for the both, because both are required here. In case of merchant export, you needed manufacturer support as well. So we are guiding you how merchant exporter will work. Then the next one, what commodities will cover here? So we cover here generics, then herbal, then nutraceutical, medical devices, API. Okay, API is the new for this batch, so it will be also added. Okay, more information about it. Then the next one, this workshop is only for pharmaceuticals or other commodities covered. So this is only for pharmaceuticals. Okay, no other commodity covered here. Then the last question might be, which organization provide this course? So our academy, our trading institute, Global Pharma Academy provide this course. Okay, so this is all about this, but if you want to know more, you just fill the Google form which is given in the description. Our executive will call you, or you can directly call to this number. This is our student coordinator number. They can guide you, or you can visit our website, that is www.globalpharmaacademy.com. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you have still any query, just comment down your queries. We will definitely guide you. But remember, pharmaceutical export is everything related to the guidelines and regulation. Once you know this, then only you can able to proceed, and we are here to help you everything related to this. So take the benefits of this and start international business and represent our country. Thank you for watching this video. I wish you all the best.